Data is at the heart of every business. But too often it's scattered across different databases and software, dividing information into silos by business units and teams. Without connecting relevant data to the tool where action takes place, support agents and customers lose time searching for information and are more likely to make mistakes. With Elements Connect for Jira Cloud, you can bring your external data inside Jira Service Management tickets. It allows you to automatically populate Select List option and read only items with data from your external data sources. Choose which information is visible by Jira Service Management customers and which is visible by agents. Let's see the app in action. Meet Carlos, the head of engineering at Tellurian. He has an issue with the printer located in his office and is about to create a support request on Tellurian's Jira Service Management portal. At Tellurian, we store our assets in a CMDB. We'll use Elements Connect to fetch data from the CMDB and make it available in context to Carlos so he doesn't have to manually fill in a lot of information about the defective printer. Now, let's see how this is configured. First, we need to add our external database with a REST API in the Elements Connect admin interface so we can fetch data from the data source. We choose an authentication mode, and we can test our connection to be sure everything is good. Then we can set up our connected custom field, a single choice select list. We first set up a query to retrieve the results we want. We check the configuration tester to be sure our query is good. Then we can configure our template to customize how our data will be displayed. Finally, we can add our connected custom field to the portal. We then create all our fields and can add them from the admin section in the request portal. Notice that we can customize our connect fields in the work item view, in the printer details that we have configured in the request type settings. Finally, we need to create a post function rule to automatically populate our read-only fields in the agent view. We select the transition where we want the rule to activate. In our case, this is when the work item is created. We use the Elements Connect helper rules to add our read-only fields. And that's it, our configuration is complete. Let's have a look at the result in the customer portal. The Elements Connect connected custom field automatically suggests to Carlos the different Tellurian offices, and then the printers located in the office he selected. Carlos didn't have any information to input manually, and it took him seconds to find his product. Now Susie, a Tellurian support engineer, has access to even more information on Agent View, such as the maintenance window and the contract number. The connected custom field enable her to quickly provide an accurate answer to Carlos's request. Connect data to the people who need it when they need it and give Jira Service Management users the productivity edge they deserve. So wait no more and try Elements Connect for Jira Cloud today.